Sunday, June 9th, I am working on a new Sightseeing with Dignity Human Rights Art Series drawing of Chico Mendes, the slain, murdered environmental rainforest activist in Brazil, Chico Mendes. And this wing is one from my collection. I've actually used it in at least 2 or 3 drawings in the Under the Wings of God series. And compositionally, it fits here, so I'm going to first do a kind of pencil outline, and then kind of light penciling of the different feathers, and then I'll start doing the detail work and using a fine point pen with India ink. To be continued.